steering damper for the Nami Viper. Well, and every other scooters. Is the audio on? Of course it's on. Okay, I'm just checking. Okay, there's 3 different steering dampers. Short one. Color doesn't matter. It's gold, but yeah. Long one. Wow, this one will. I think this one will match. Like, this one looks insane. And the central one, which I don't have it right now because it's extremely expensive. It's like 10 times more expensive, maybe not 10 times, but quite more expensive. And it's mounted somewhere around here at the head of the scooter. Link in the description so you can check it out. But this option is the cheapest one. You need a bracket. Where can you get a bracket? Well, there is that dude on Facebook which can 3D print your bracket, just like that. That's the company name, Extreme Maker, or Extreme Maker 3D. So I'll link it in the description, so check it out. Look, it's a very nice build, 3D printed, really good. Couple of screws included, so yeah, everything is included. That's, you don't have to worry about anything. There are 2 holes in here, like you can see. All Nami has those holes, and the holes on the side in here. Can you see it? Can you see this? You see those 2 holes? Same on the other side, and do those 2 holes. Okay, okay. Now, first we need to install this part, which should align. We need an Allen key. There it is. Now the second part, which is this one. Okay, so let me just bring the camera on it to the other side. To the front. Come on, camera. Okay. Just, yeah. Super nice. And now, screws. Okay, 4 screws included, so you don't have to worry about anything. And just screw them in. So that's done. Now, we need to install a small one first. A small one. I prefer to put some washers in here, because yeah, I don't want it to get this damage from the damper. It could get damage from the damper, so yeah, washer would be nice. Washer is not included, but come on, you can find them everywhere. Okay, now let's screw this in. So what now? Well, this needs to be loose like that. It needs to be loose like that. Bear in mind, don't tie it up like crazy. This needs to be loose a little bit. Now we need to adjust this part, which holds the front of the cylinder. To do that, we need to test the turning degrees, because you will lose some turning degrees. The wheel is straight. This should be in the middle, exactly in the middle. Let's tighten it up for testing. And how much do we have? Very nice. And on this side, way less. So, to get more, I think that's not enough turning for the left side. We need to adjust that like this. Yeah, I think it's a bit too much, but let's try it out again. One more time. Okay, tons of it. And okay, tons of it. It's kind of in the middle, kind of. So it's pretty good. Bear in mind, this is a small version. Small one. Short one. Now, there is a long version, which probably gives us more turning degrees. Let's test it out. Now the long one. Let's see it. Let me just... Oh, that's quite heavy. Wow, I got like maximum. Whoa! I got way more turning degrees. But it looks kind of ridiculous. But I love it. I love it. The turning degrees is just... It's the same like without it. Well, almost the same. It's like we lose like 1%. And with the gold one, with the short one, we're losing like 30%. So that's not good. Long one is the way to go. Wow, look at it. This is how it's look like, and it's it's kind of pointy. This is the carbon fiber. Well, usually it's not carbon fiber. This is a special addition steering compound with the carbon fiber tube. So to mount this, you will need some kind of carbon montage paste. Now wait, do you really need that? Well, it's not necessary, but it's better for all the carbon parts. Let me just, it will increase grip, so you won't have to tighten it up so much, my friend. Wow. It's kind of old, so let me just shake it. Shake it! Ah! Shake this baby. Come on, carbon paste. Why are you trolling me? Okay, we got some. We got some here. We got some here. My applying technique is not that great, but you know what I mean. Okay, this is a blue. Morgan blue, but you can use all kinds of different paste. All kinds. Okay, let's just put it in here. Well, pretty good. And now, okay, now the wheel is straight, so we can tighten it up. Not too tight, my friend, not too tight. Let's clean the rest of the carbon paste. And we golden. There it is. Bam. Wow, it is looking brilliant. Let's test it out on the feet. Alrighty then. So let's test it up. Okay, let me slow down a little bit because I need to adjust my helmet. Now it's fine. Let's go. Turning, a little bit of turning, this way, that's nice, a bit nicer. Let's go. And there you go. What can I say? Like on the rails. Thanks for watching and goodbye.